we were sent this peel and press foil play, and we're having so much fun with it. So we're doing it outside, which is why we have rocks on our foil, because it's a little tiny bit windy here. But it's so cool. There's an inspiration book here, so your kids can get some inspiration as they're doing this. You can make three-dimensional, where you kind of stack them. She's working on a unicorn over here, and then you pick your background where you want to put your stickers when you're done. So we have different backgrounds, and there's tons of different foil. There's even like a rainbow foil, and then all these cute little backgrounds. So lots of opportunity to do some really creative things. You may not want to do it outside like we are, but it's such a nice day, so we figured why not. And this is a lot of fun. It's really easy. You just kind of peel off the sticker part. So these all have stickers, and you just peel that part off, and then you put the foil part on it and you push, and then it ends up transferring. So really, really neat. And I'll show you what they look like after.
It's so beautiful.
What do you think of this activity so far?
I think it is the best.
And this is actually pretty fun for adults too. Kind of relaxing. You can do all kinds of different patterns. I love it. So adorable. Here's my finished. Pretty fun. I could definitely add more to it, but love it.
I worked so hard on this. This one doesn't have another patch, but the West does. So it's so cool that it comes with like little eyeballs. And if you mess up, you can just take a piece from other people. So this is my finish. And what I like about it is it kind of shines in the light. And you can do it any way you want. You don't have to copy like the pictures or anything. It's a good art.